respond from Mark Cruz. Mark Domingo Cruz, do not call me Vladimir Makarov. Ah, because why are you mentioning the name in that? What's that evidence? Vladimir Makarov Mastermind Online. And he calls me, you started it, Makarov. Mark Cruz, I had enough about your pro-Israeli rhetoric. I had enough of your label me as Makarov, who is the villain in the Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Why did you call me Makarov? That I am supporting Palestine, I am supporting Iran. What the heck is wrong with you? Ah, I do a favor. Last July 10, I remember my dog, Vladimir. After I've been interviewed by Roylan Marlang's Hands Inclusion Philippines, led by Dan Mardayaw and Cedric Mariano. I know I have a dog, Vladimir. Oh, the border collie. My dog passed away last 2010. Christian Mengito said me condolence. Teacher May Tiburcio said me condolence. Oh, even Bill Galang, even Roylan Marlang, Cedric Mariano, and other friends, even Carlos Kanahashi, the friend of Teacher Ruti Barrientos, they said me condolence. So, Teacher Ruti Barrientos said me a condolence about my dog, Vladimir. Oh, what is wrong about my former dog, Mark Cruz, the border collie, who is a crossbreed Saint Bernard? This is really nonsense, Mark Cruz. I had enough about nonsense. Even my dog who passed away, Vladimir. Let me get this straight. Vladimir, the dog, had already died July 10, 2020. Before Prada, before the Gohoy, before Chowder. Oh. Vladimir the dog is already dead. He was in the heaven also alongside with Chowder, Prada, the Gohoy. Who else? The other dog. I remember. Even Vladimir as well. 4 dogs are already dead. For me, Mark Cruz, I just want to tell you something. I just want to respond about your accusations over in the first place. Um, you know, you need to stop calling me Makarov. And how come that I bully Christian Mengito? Oh, Christian Mengito believes it is not really true that he never met Mika Lim in Bini. I was told by Jerick Silva, Jerick says to Christian Mengito, he messaged him in Messenger, wag ka maniwala kay Mark Cruz. Hindi po totoong sinasabi niya, like I said, about Mika Lim. Mika Lim, he doesn't know Mark Cruz. What is wrong with you, Mark Cruz? Ano ba problema mo kay Christian Mengito? Why you insist himself to meet Mika Lim? Remember, Christian Mengito doesn't like Mika Lim. He doesn't have TV. He didn't watch Bini. And he doesn't watch News and TV Patrol about Bini. Mark Cruz, Mika Lim, he doesn't know Christian Mengito. Jeez. Even that Mark Cruz, he insulted Nguyen Pongkan, the Miss Earth 2018. He calls her cattle cow. This is why I say to you, Mark Cruz, Juan Carlo Pabale is very angry at you. You insulted the Miss Earth 2018 winner. That she doesn't really know you, even not aside with Nguyen Pongkan, Even, who else he insulted? Dan Mardayaw, Nguyen Pongkan, and even, he insulted, me also. I was the victim of Marcos insults and tirades that he says me a bad words. He says about anything, and he calls me an asshole because I know that's very kind of insult. And Mark Cruz, I say to you, stop spreading rumors about Christian Mingito that he knows me Kalim. I just want to tell you something. I was told by Jerick Silva, sabi sa akin ni Jerick, hindi po yan totoong sinabi ni Mark. Hindi kilala yon. Like he said before, hindi niya kasi inabot si Mika Lim. Mika Lim, he doesn't know Christian Mingito. Please, Mark Cruz, with all due respect, with all I could say, you need to stop spreading rumors. You need to stop making rumors. Even not just that. Just like I said before, how would you say that you fell in love with Sam Rascal, the singing queen at Itbulaga? Would all you know, Mark Cruz, in Itbulaga of Sam Rascal, even the legit Dabarkads there, they don't say bad words. They don't like negatives. Like Luis Cabales said to me, we should not talk about negatives. Mark Cruz, you should never talk about negatives. For me, I just remember I asked permission to Teacher May last 2014 when there's Teacher Ivy. I say to Teacher May Tiburcios, I said to her, I'll be absent in class because there was a Itbulaga of Dabarkads, Barangay 49, Zone 5, and One for All for One. I saw Wally Bayola, Jose Manalo, and Valerie Wigman alongside with Paulo Ballesteros. They never say bad words. The Dabarkads of Itbulaga never say bad words. I do a favor. I watch Itbulaga many times. So I watch Dabarkads. Yeah, I know. I watch, what was I was told by Ate Pura? Kalye Serie, of course, 2015. Aldab, there was Alden and Maine. Before Maine Mendoza appears in Itbulaga. And there was, Yaya Dub or Alden Richards, and there was the other Aldab like Lola Nidora, Lola Tinidora, Lola Nidora. Those Itbulaga in Dabarkads, they don't say bad words. They say, for example, sa tamang panahon, like Lola Nidora says, she never say bad words like Wally Bayola. Just like I heard that from Itbulaga in you know that in 2015, I watched that, and then I said it. Was a fan of Aldab. I don't have Facebook at the time, Me and Kenji Mantaring, we don't have Facebook. Wala kaming Facebook noon, like I said. Wala kaming Instagram. Just like I said, we don't have Instagram. If I were say to you, Mark Cruz, if you heard about the Dabarkads, they never say bad words. You remember Ate Pura? She's a legit TBJ. She watched Itbulaga after the show. The show was starting at 12 o'clock. Mark Cruz, you should not say bad words. You should not say about negatives. Itbulaga, Sam Rascal, she doesn't love you. Your stories anyway are lies. How would you say that Sam Rascal loves you, Mark Cruz? Oh, would you explain? No, I will explain to Ate Pura's son, Miguel. Oh, Miguel Bonono says, hindi po kilala ni Mark Cruz si Sam Rascal. Because you know, Sam Rascal, he doesn't know Mark Cruz. All his stories anyway are lies. For example, remember Juan Carlo Pabale? He knows about Sam Rascal and Ann Ferrer. Oh. Mark Cruz, he doesn't know Sam Rascal. If Juan Carlo Pabale talks Sam Rascal, he said it to her. Kilala mo ba si Mark Cruz? Hindi ko po kilala. Oh. You know, Mark Cruz, you're telling a lies that you know about Sam Rascal. You are a liar. You're telling bunch of lies. Even you have lots of toys like Chuchichu in K-pop, Momoland. It's just your only merchandise of Momoland last 2018. Even twice. Jeez, Mark Cruz.